out here in Niagara Falls. This guy's worried about getting wet, obviously. It's kind of windy. It's kind of wet. A lot of mist in the air, but it's a cool place. Canadian side of the falls. And the good thing is, if you're from the US, we're not the only ones that over-commercialize something. That's true. Very true. I'm happy to see that. Definitely a lot of commercialization here. So that was really cool. We walked around, saw the falls obviously, as you saw, and then we went down and we had some food down in huge tourist area. Like I had no idea, it looked like Disney World.
Yeah.
That's what it reminded me of. Everything was like games and lights and action, and we thought only Americans were into that kind of marketing, but very cool to see. It really is. I can see why it'd be more picturesque from the Canadian side.
Definitely. You get to see the whole thing.
You can see the whole thing. So if you get an opportunity to come and see Niagara Falls on the Canada side, take it, because it is really pretty majestic. It's an amazing wonder of the world, really.
Yeah.
So anyway.